Hi everyone, welcome to Flower Factor. Today I'm going to create a really cool design. We're going to use these lilies, Sunderland lilies. They have no fragrance, so if you don't like the fragrance of lilies, these are the ones to use. First we're going to start off with the base. So what I've got here is a PVC tubing and I've covered it with some old leather. And basically I'm going to start off with a structure creating all kinds of loops. So I'm going to put it on the table already, making sure that I have the movement that I want. And then we're going to connect it on the points where the tube with the leather is crossing. And of course, if you don't have this tube, we can use also vines or wicker or other materials that have the same way of bending, flexibilities. So at a certain stage, we have a really solid shape. And then I'm going to put this away for a moment. So I have some random sticks that I'm just going to put in. This can be anything, can be bamboo, wicker, whatever you have. And then I have smaller pieces of tubing and basically I'm just going to slide it over. And with this we're going to make the connection with our structure that we made already before. Placing it on like this, make sure it's relatively in the middle, and then again we're going to connect first with the binding wire these points and make sure that you make really tight connections. We're going to use the edges to go through the shape, and then really quick we have a really cool base. And then we're going to work with these beautiful lilies. And I'm going to put them really close to the shape. So once we have the lilies in, we're going to finish off the bottom part so we don't see the floral foam. I'm going to use cork and we're just going to tuck it in, making a nice structure. And then as a last detail, I'm going to take a few pieces of cork with hot glue. And here and there, I'm just going to add it on top, repeating what I've done on the bottom. And then we have a really powerful, cool design. This design would look good in any interior or company. And of course, everyone knows lilies, they last a long time. So now they're closed is interesting, but even when they open up, it becomes even more impressive. So I hope you enjoy this technique. And I hope you try this beautiful lilies with no fragrance. And I hope to see you next time here at Flower Factor. Bye bye.